Sir, see, their designers and architects are Sabyasachi. They are making lehengas for you, right? They are accessorizing with furniture for you. And I am the someone who puts the makeup. So unless and until you not put the makeup, your bride is incomplete. So there are two different way of doing the styling. So once I explain, the one is just for the photo shoot where you guys are already have procured things. Second way is like totally I'm procuring things on behalf of you for your clients. Rugs, artworks, all the decor stuff and the beddings. These are the four major genres of style. Hi, I'm Vinay. It's like, yes, who Vinay? Vinay Panchwani, the photographer. It's like, oh, yes, sir. And that was a fan moment for me because I was dying to work with him.
I welcome back everyone for another fascinating and informative session, a masterclass that will delve into transformative concepts of the stylist blueprint, creating beautiful homes by Sanya Tara. In this masterclass, we'll explore the art of interior styling, creating spaces that truly reflects a person's lifestyles. Styling is about capturing the essence of a room and translating its spirit into design, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality without altering the core structure. Learn how styling adds the essential finishing touch, making a home feel complete and inviting. It's a practice that empowers, reconnects you with your surroundings, brings out the best in what you already have.
Elements here, like you have observed in this. So apart from styling elements, here I did the partial art direction for the film as well. So putting up mehendi in her hand, the postures, the moon, sun, everything is like visible to you. That is also part of. So interior gave a brief. I want a jugalbandi between the modern and the Indianness. So if you have observed, like she's walking, the interior is walking from the space which is quite modern in the office, and she's coming to the antique and the traditional stuff. Then this Jugalbandi is happening. This was an experience center of temple architect. So without saying is, we are showing it, it's an experience center. So when you go to temples and the dance forms are happening, so it happens this way. So that's how we do styling. Styling is not only about using elements and putting up the stuff. It's all about the postures, the gestures, the walk, the planning of all these things. What frame is next? So you have to plan accordingly. It's not a on the spot job. It's like a pre job. Like you have to put lot of mind and hard work to the space. So I would like to talk about my journey. So by looking at this, I guess you guys have understood like what am I? I'm a chemical engineer, spent 9 long years, diploma, degree pass out from Nirma, went to IIT Madras, did my design core, and that's where my journey have started actually about photography. So if you see, this is my first DSLR picture. Don't judge photographers, please. It's really bad. I had no space to go back, but I'm regretting now. This is my 1200D Canon first worst picture, but that's where the journey started. So next. Now, this picture is like very favorite. So during my second years of masters, I got married. And during that time, I was looking for a photographer who can shoot my wedding. So I was looking for a photographer and I found out my senior is a photographer, is a wedding photographer. Engineer also turned out a photographer. This picture hit me and I wanted him to shoot my wedding. He said, yeah, dates nathi Sanya. So you just hire someone else. From September 2014, this picture was hitting my mind. And he didn't shoot my wedding. That's another thing. Next. So I bought a DSLR and I started doing like surrounding vision, passion and a click. I used to click people. I used to click beautiful campus. Next. And I started doing all these things. So I started shooting lace, pelu made jai, food. I used to started doing it. And this journey was ongoing. And I came back from IIT in June 2015 somewhere. I had nothing to do because I set for my dream company, but I had to choose between a job and my husband. I chose my husband and I came back. I left L&T. I had nothing to do. Now what? After like graduating from the top university, I'm sitting at home doing. I started cooking for himself. I'm a good cook. He's on job. What am I supposed to do now? Photo kado, Instagram par nakho, Facebook par. That was Facebook was the thing. People have started coming back. People have started commenting, why don't you open up your cafe? Why don't you do this? Why don't you do that? And suddenly, when you search more about a food, your feed will suggest you the food blogging. So that's where I thought, chalo, age kari liye. And 2015 to 2017, till my childbirth, I was just doing this. Trying. It's worse pictures, if you can see. It's really bad pictures now. But you know, this my husband helped me out. There is a lamp. Study lamp, I asked him to hold and I was clicking pictures. So I had no understanding of light, no camera, nothing. But I was still doing since 2 years. Then suddenly I was like, okay, હવે તો baby થઈ ગયો, હવે શું કરે? So હવે તો chemical engineering પાછું નહીં જવાય. So what next? So I joined, again that hit the picture. Again, the wedding picture. I'm talking about the first image. I called him. He's running an institute basically. I was like, I want to learn a photography. He's like, okay. Aveja. He was 5 months old. He's my son. He was 5 months old. I went to meet my mentor and Niche Madya. He's like, institute band hai gaye, come tomorrow. I said, nahi, khali baat karvi hai, I want to join tomorrow. He's like, okay, bol. I go, wait, let me bring my child from the car. And I'm holding my baby like this. And he's like, are you sure you want to do this? I was like, very sure. Okay, come tomorrow 9 o'clock. Trust me, 9 to 6, he make me stand. I saw 2 chairs at the set. There was a fashion shoot was going on. I tried to sit. He's like, did I ask you to sit? I was, just 5 months back, I had a C-section. I was in pain as well. આખો દિવસ એક સૂકું ઝાડ મોડલની પાછળ ખાલી હલાવવાનું હતું. That was the only thing I had to do. At 6 o'clock, he's asking, are you still willing to come or you can quit? I was like, I'll join tomorrow. That day and today, I am I because of my mother and my mentor. He's someone who have really, હીરા અને તરાશવાની જે હોય ને એનામાં પરત. He is someone like that. So I started my career as a photographer and he asked me, forget, shoot something else. I had nothing to do. He was staring at me. I shot him and I went with my mentor. So he's like, એક જ પિક્ચર લઈને આવીશ, મેં તને 10 પિક્ચર લાવવાના કીધું. મેં about food, apart from food, what I can shoot. He's like, shoot anything. And he loved the picture. He edited immediately. And then he's like, let's start a class. After that, he took my admission. Till the time I was not admitted in the institute. Next. So this was my first picture. He's like, what can you do? I was like, I make good kheer. The firni. He's like, make it and bring it. Okay, fine. Susu na khai. Na khai, pelu na khai. And we shot this on film camera. Next. Then the journey was unstoppable. He's like, I'm giving you a task of doing 100 setups. Do 100 setups and then talk about that you want to do a food photography or a food styling or blogging. 100 ma exhaust thai jao. Every day I have to fill up my car and બધો સામાન લઈને I have to first floor એમની સ્ટુડિયોમાં જવું and then set it up, coming back. Also I was holding my child with me, not only the luggage and all that stuff. I shot many things. This was published at a Nikon Official India. So those all images, like I was shooting. Next. We were going for this. And yes, this was the journey he shot it. So I was working with my child. I'm editing pictures, having my child on my lap. He's feeling like yawning and sleeping. They used to take care of my child. All the institute was taking care of my child when I was working. And when I was shooting, my mentor was shooting him actually downstairs. He is very comfortable with him. We were shooting and this is like, he's my mentor. Ravi Mistry, he's my mentor and I because of him. Next. So this picture is just what you saw before. We were searching for the wood logs, this picture. And we were like, well, now we have enough. This is the very first commercial shoot I did. Very first commercial shoot. Also, I did another commercial later on. I was exploring with products, jewelries, with food, with everything. So he was also trying like, what am I good at? And can you just go back? Go back. So this was the image when I submitted to Nikon India. So he asked me, do you really want to pursue this? I was like, yes. Then he's like, okay. Then you style it, I'll shoot it for you. Because he was a Nikon Gujarat explorative. Next. Then I shot your favorite Londonyer pizza. The images what you have seen on a Londonyer pizza is like done by me. The first when the Londonyer pizza opened up in Ahmedabad. Then different brands I was shooting, that is Finati, a real diamond jewelry brand and all that. So I was shooting. So here there was nothing I was doing. To make this earring stand is my job. That is my job, to give a perfect placement. Also, I was lot. Can we just go back to the video? I was doing carpets, I was doing rugs, I was doing like many stuffs. This is what we shot here. The first shoot they ever allowed in this building. Avoid that.
They're a special building in India. Carpets are also from that time, and the building felt just as story as the actual carpets. And so it was just a really special place to be shooting.
You have to go back to you just go back. So that was a very challenging styling. If you have observed, that's a zero prop styling. As a stylist, they asked me, do not use props. I was like, what was my job then? They're like, that you have to figure out. So the blueprint of this building, they have created rugs out of this blueprints. My job is to align this blueprint building, light hits correctly given by the architect. The diagonal light place. I have to make sure that it should hit when they ask the timing is correct. That was my job, and aligning with this floor. That was. So it was like quite challenging when I was doing this, and I was still exploring. One fine day, my mentor's wife, she's an architectural interior photographer. Next. So she was like, or any magazines have their own stylists. Like there were nobody who was doing freelancing. So one day she's like, તકિયા મારે કરવાના, ચાદરે મારે કરવાની, બધું મારે જ કરવાનું. She was crying in front of her husband, like cranky way. And he's like, લઈ જાને. And I was like, I don't know how to do, what to do. So મને કે હું બતાડી દઈશ. Okay. This is the very first and the last time I used a tray because client wanted. Ashish bhai, just મળ્યા બાર. So I was like, તમને જોઈએ, I'll do it. This is like shit thing, I will not do it. His project, we shot it. That was crazy 17-hour shoot. First time she took me to interior chadar and takya, and then I was like, કીધું તું ખાલી ચાદર તકિયા કરવાના છે. મેં કહ્યું, you made me run like hell 3 floors up and down whole day and what's so not. And then she's like, કઈ નહીં, તું હેલ્પમાં આવી જજે ને. Okay, fine, next. Then I was like, fine, chalo, ठीक है, आवीस. करता unpaid jobs I was doing, but that was my first paid job after COVID. So from 2017 I started doing photography to 2019 was a COVID. 20, almost 19 and 20 somewhere, like when the COVID opens up, we did this project. And then after doing 7-8 projects, I realized this is my happy place. I love this. I want to do this. I can explore more. Then my first mentor, Ravi Mistry, Ishita Sitwal, Ishi, everybody knows her. So she's my second mentor. And my third mentor, where I met 2020 COVID, I got a call, like from someone whom I was dying to work with. And Ravi, I was telling Ravi, like, call him na, and tell him I'm working, please give me some work. He's like, hard worker, samiti call out, sir. One day, he called me. Hi, I'm Vinay. I was like, yes, who Vinay? Vinay Panchwani, the photographer. I was like, oh, yes, sir. And that was a fan moment for me because I was dying to work with him. He's like, can you have a half an hour, like, let's meet tomorrow? I was like, fair enough. And I was in Navsari. I didn't tell him that I'm in Navsari right now. I cannot come. I was like, I'll come. It was taking like 7 hours to come from there. Bridge banto to. I came here. We sat for 2.5 hours. He's like, I'm doing one project for HPA. I want to introduce you as a stylist there. Will you work? I was like, okay, done. I went there. He's like, so lay now. That was my first question because past project we used to get like khatara varina saman. So like, so lay na. मैं क्या कहीं नहीं, तू come. I just went there and that mind changed, that the practice of doing photography, like people are getting things on rent and putting up stuff, beddings and props and all that, plant, everything. I was also part of that just before that shoot. And then he's like, no, तू जाइए बदूत चाहिए. I just went there and I was like, over चाहिए तो बहुत अच्छा. It's like, let's shoot this. We shot that project. Another project immediate after some 5-6 days. That was a crazy project. He called me, okay, we have to take the sunrise shots, drone shots and all that. We have to start 2:30 in the morning. I was like, wow, okay, I'll come. We started there and we are just waiting like this. After setting up the sites, Suraj uge, we can take the first drone shots. And then he shared some picture with Hiren Bhai. Hiren Bhai called, who's there with you? Whenever I was like, I've introduced a stylist. He's like, okay, I want to meet her then. That was the moment when even first project, Hiren Bhai didn't know that I already work for his project. Second project, he got to know that I am there. That was the journey, and by the time I realized I want to do this. Vinay Bhai is my third mentor, I can say, because he showed me the verticals of styling. Sky has no limit kind of thing. Like what I'm doing right now is totally different. I'm very, very happy in my elements, whatever I'm doing, wherever I am. Not only photography styling, I do the final stage up, like permanent styling. Sometimes there is no photographies are happening. Like actual people are living there. So I do those kind of projects. Then slowly, I get into different things. So basically, these are my elements. These photographers are not shooting my elements. Maulik is not shooting. He is also not shooting. You guys are not shooting my these elements. Basically, I have to shoot it with iPhone because I have that photography no kido haji panmarama. So basically, they shoot wide angle or a tight angle, but my elements are like my happy place. I usually shoot is like, this is what I am. This is how I define styling. So how much it is important, so I usually say this to every people. So I don't know how many architects are here, interiors, બાકી ના શું છો, કોઈમાં હાથ ઉપર નહીં કર્યા. Okay. So the thing was, I would say when you talk about elements, I'll use the layman language. So I used to go to clients and I used to ask them, sorry, they used to ask me, તમે શું ચેન્જ લાવવાના, ઇન્ટિરિયર તો છે જ, તમને અલગથી પૈસા આપવાના કેમ? લાઈક ફેર એનફ. સો મેં કહ્યું સર, I'll speak in Gujarati or Hindi, whatever is comfortable, because essence nahi have English ma. So, sir, see, their designers and architects are Sabyasachi. They are making lehengas for you, right? They are accessorizing with furniture for you, and I am the someone who puts the makeup. So, unless and until you not put the makeup, your bride is incomplete. Just compare all the heroines or anybody. Like, see yourself when you are putting up makeup and when you do the pay. So that is something I always tell them, and that's how, by the way, Vinay Bhai is here. Just now I talk about him. So that's the thing I always wanted to convey, that you have to accessorize your house. Once you finishing the sites, you have to uplift their lives. When you're making beautiful homes, you always have to uplift their lives. Otherwise, the essence is not coming. They are using that floral bedsheet. They are using that different kind of stand and all that. They are using it. You have to show them when you are making the good house. The only cost is justifying once you spend on the interior styling. The cost of the project will justify after that only. So majorly rugs, artworks, all the decor stuff, and the beddings. These are the 4 major genres of styling. Next. And people think jhad line thodi na lagai de do. No, it's not. Like we do, like ask Vinay bhai, like how much we work for the things. So it's always like lot of stuff we are doing it, and after that you see the final outcome. Next. So that's the project. When you talk about very favorite, where when it is classic, you have to show the class of people, class of the house, class of the design. When it's subtle in Japan, the theme, you have to show it accordingly. Your elements should be like that it should support the designs. Also, my element should not overpower the designs and the architectural things. This is another very beautiful project. I had free hand to use whatever I want. When I ask for the budget, they are like, no budget. Use. Kitlu vapri shake. So, I spent almost 7 lakh rupees for the coffee table book. And that's a, sorry? So there is a wine book, that is the next slide that is coming. So that same book, I kept it on this, that wine book itself like Pona Be Lakhni book. So it's a very limited edition. Yeah. So that's the book. That's the wine book. So here the brief was like that. She did a very beautiful designing, and she's like, this chair or something. Okay, let's do that 10 chairs and all that. And I'll do the, her brief was, interiors give brief to us. I want to do candle lit up and you shoot my this. મેં કહ્યું બેન તું આટલી beautiful દેખાય, તને જોશે કે અને વસ્તુને જોશે. Another thing is like when you have to show design, I'm not selling the crockery. You guys are not making crockeries. You guys are making designs, tables. So I always try to do it like a less is more. And we did it exactly. I replicated her idea over there. She wanted like to lit up the candles. Out of those books, I found out the picture who is lighting up the candles. We kept the the wine glasses. She wanted to keep the wine, but I kept it empty and I kept that color over here. That's the thing I connect. I connect the stories. I don't keep it anything like randomly and generally. Uthaiya muki de, who is not my taste and my work. So these are like dinings. Why dinings are always very personal to me, and I personally love that. So these are very beautiful chairs. So she had idea, okay, let's do it vase mukhi, pelu mukhi. The main thing is this is a one single piece of wood imported from Dubai. And if I'm putting a lot of crockery, if I'm hiding in, there is no point of like showing her designs. We are not selling crockeries. We are selling designs. I mean, you are selling designs. So the brief I would like to tell, that's a Japan, the Scandinavian theme. if you see, so there is a darkness and there is a light coming up here. So purposefully I kept 2 leaf over here. She's talking about I want to show some life in my pictures, but it's Japanese Scandinavian theme. How will you add greens? If you add, just ask the photographer, it will pop up so heavily. So I just put up a 2-3 leaf, just the life is coming up. That's the idea of doing the style. And second, the designer is here. She's like, Sanya, project alag જોઈએ છે, બધાથી અલગ જોઈએ, કંઈ quirky જોઈએ. That's the brief. શું કરે તું જાણે. Then we did it. Like I used tan colors, so I used walnuts from her tan color designs, and I used black color design, and I used cat over there and made it a quirky. That's the quirkiness she wanted. Next. Another, like when we do Indian touch houses, we use elements. That's Viram himself is playing sitar. He loves to play. So I was like, basic jagya khali chhe, void chhe, I want to put some prop over there. You be my prop. So he act as a prop over there. And somewhere here, that's a South Indian house. So they are also in the Bharatnatyam and playing. So when we show the houses, I have to show who lives there. If South Indian house is there, I have to have some South Indian elements in that. If it shows the livability of the space with decor. Also, maximalism, minimalism. Like I did a lot of this wallpaper, then Jaipur rugs, and this kind of a setup we did it. That's a lot about maximalism. Minimalism, this project was in Kochi. So she got this from Africa, from African some artist. She's like, Thayyam faces. How will I show that I'm doing a project in Kochi? And I'll use this. Should I made her buy it. I am not going to put it over here. Buy it. Replicating that. That's all about minimalism. Minimalism also works. So if I talk about my personal days, I'm maximal. Karu to jagya nahi chodu. Minimum hase to it will be like this. So these are some before afters. Like I'm sure there must be a question rise when to hire a stylist. So this is the correct stage to hire a stylist. So I'll have a time to finish the project. I'll have a time to search the things. So they hired, this is a house, showcase house. So I just asked sir was telling that there is like, metal cupboards. Then I just called sir, why are we doing metal cupboards? He's like, metal is like, why in showcase house? I have no scope to style. Then he's like, open shelf for me. If you see this image, there are almost 15 different brands across the India. So I'm not going buying something and to another brand and matching. That's where your mind apply. You have to mix and merge all the brand, and it should not look like odd out thing. So these are some kind of a before after. Client bought it by themselves. Architect has nothing to do with this. They bought it, expensive brand, then what I bought. If you can correlate, so there is a monkey, I kept monkey over here. There is a topical theme, I used birds and tropical themes over here. The flowers are also resembling. I made the palette subtle and my eyes is going directly, and I took this as a main element and I styled around that element. This was shot by Vinay Bhai. I guess my major pictures are shot by Vinay Bhai only. So that is also another project, very beautiful work done by Studio DPA. The same thing, like you can see, like furniture is there, rug is there, everything is there. How do you differentiate both things? I just put few elements and just the artwork. That's the beauty of putting styling in your projects. That is another same project. I pay attention towards a lot of small details. You have to do, like the roof is like wicker. Then my rug is also like jute. My placements are also jute. My glasses are also having a jute. Also, every element has, even the cushion cover has a jute. So I connect with the stories. The brief was like, Irish lounge, make it as an Irish lounge. Nothing else was given to me. That's the only brief. If you have any questions, you can ask in between, in the pictures or everything. This is another before after, like what we try to make it, the empty spaces and the beautifying the spaces with a lot of stuff. Another space. બધાના ઘર આવા જ હોય. And we make it like this. So when you get a brief, you have to play with an elements which falls into that category. I cannot put glass over here. I cannot put crystals over here. I have to put, because it's the Japanese Scandinavian theme houses, I have to put like elements which supports the design. I cannot odd out the things, otherwise it will make your project beautiful or ugly. So I will play the video after this. So not only that, we just picked up the stuff, we make the stuff. So that's with the artist, we created a beautiful artwork over there according to the theme of the house. We picked up the color from the room and the birds are colored that way. Then this is our doctor's house. We met a yoga lady because they are a fan of doing yoga. They spend 2 hours every day in yoga. So we made sculptures for them. So it's not like that, like bigger sculptures are only made. You can mix little stuff for the interiors to enhance this look. So that was all planned projects. These are all unplanned projects. Just 1 hour before they hired me, Sanya shoot the place, style the place. કાલે સવારે શૂટ છે, સાંજે 8 વાગે કહે છે કરવાનું છે. These are all, like I have many like this. Arrange the things, get the things, just in 1 hour they finalize and they're like arrange it. So that was in Amritsar, this was in Gandhinagar, this was in Ahmedabad. So I try to pick surrounded elements. Like I picked up lychees from that wall art. The pink color florals are visible, the trees are visible. This house is like more about black and white and there is a color element. So I picked up a cat. बाजू वाले का cat उठा के लाया हमने. And even in this, so they were like, it's going very subtle way. Let's add some greens to break the monotony. The house is having just 2 colors. Yeah. Next. इसके बाद क्या है? Yeah. इसके बाद. So one picture is all about maximalism and one is about minimalism. So on this project, we were 2 stylists. So one who set up the things permanently by other stylist and I am hired for the shoot. So ये उनके कबर्ड के अंदर लाइन कर रहा था. I just went for the recce, मैम आपके कबर्ड में क्या क्या सब बाहर निकालो. And she is like ये है. मैं कहा बस यही तो चाहिए. So I did a maximalism. Same time we do the minimalism as well. Just the sculptures, just the trees and the grapes. That's the, like both the ways you can style the space. That's all about the connectivity of the projects. When you have to break the monotony, it's like always when you can there is a table inside the bathroom and there is a glass next to it. You can see the bed on it. So I give a connection with the red element from table. The throw is coming out on the bed. So there is a connection between the spaces. You have to show the connections. Here also the same. Everything is monotonous, gray, black. So bundle of like 10 kgs of apple, we kept it. Then there is, I took lamp as a main element, the red color. And that's how I styled the space. Very favorite kitchen, the same thing. I picked up the color from the interiors or the brief or something around or from the space. If I'm doing a project in south, so you can see the jackfruit over there, which adds a little bit of color. Here there is no color except those blue color flowers. Bathrooms can also style. सबको पता है bathroom ही है, dispenser होना है, brush होना है. Why are we like showing at bathrooms ऐसे ही करना है? So we can style the bathroom in a different ways as well. When we talk about the outdoor projects, architectural things, people are saying that stylists are not needed in that. Absolutely you need it because you have to adjust when the photographers are doing drone shots or when they're doing this kind of shots, the furniture should be placed when you're showcasing like livability of the space. You humans with some kind of like if they have pets and all that. So we place them actually, not something they come and they sit. We place them and according to the frames, we adjust them. So for architecture shots also you need a stylist. Similarly, these are outdoor setups. Like you have to figure out like what elements. Like agar nahi rakh rahe niche, तो it will be a blank and white space for you. So the house is like Indian touch hai, so we just put mirchi and marcha khandwani season batai devi. So that is also adding a lot of elements to the space. Similarly, like when it's a Bali theme, you have to show it as a Bali theme. I cannot show as a Gujarati marcha vado setup over there. So you have to connect the spaces. So another way is like styling is also important in stores. This is Jaipur Rakka store in Ahmedabad that I did the VM for. So this is for opening purpose. There are n number of opportunities in doing that. Like Jaipur rugs have done rugs on the floor, rugs on the wall. I made a chandelier out of it. They were also surprised. Like I made a chandelier out of rug. If you can see that in the center picture. So you have to show without saying any word like what the space is all about. That's some of the commercial projects. That's a sample office that we did it. That is a boutique that we did it. They wanted a maximalism all about. Next. That is also very well known. So like stylist. So glass adjustment is also a big thing. Like just imagine like we are not putting anything if the glass are clutter. You won't feel like visually it's eye appealing. So you have to adjust things accordingly, and because of that, it looks eye appealing on your social media or wherever you are just submitting your projects. These are some of the commercial projects that I did. Same, but not only shoots we are doing, all the elements, all the things I've placed, even the frames you are seeing, these frames that we have decided what to paint, how to paint and how to place that each element, keeping the proportionality in mind. That's it, guys. Any questions you have, you can ask.
So I wanted to ask you, do you visit site before it's a little bit of on the finishing level, or after the site is finished and then you decide what kind of styling you want to go with or what kind of details you want to outline? So what's your thought process?
Yeah. So there are two different way of doing the styling. So once I explained, the one is just for the photo shoot where you guys are already have procured things and you ask me to come and shoot accordingly and make a perfect frame as per you and whatever the photographers are framing. So I have to figure out that perfect frame using a perfect prop. That is one way of doing it. Second way is like totally I'm procuring things on behalf of you for your clients, and I'm setting up the sites. Like if you can see here, all the pots and everything, like I procure. So there are two different way of doing, and in both the case, yes, we have to do the recce. Without seeing the site, of course, we cannot visualize. And touch wood, I have that God gift, I can say, like when I visit the site, the thoughts start coming to me. Sometime during the shoot also it comes. So change it. Like ask Vinay bhai many times, he's like done and he's removing his camera. Vinay bhai, aa rahi, let's do it again. And he's like, okay.
So your journey describes on the job learning. Yeah, but do you recommend anything else for somebody who's willing?
It's not on job learning, I can say. Very recently, I realized this as well. Sarita Handa is a very big brand in bedding. So I tie up with them in Gujarat chapter. So Mrs. Handa came here and she asked me this thing, like how you understand the color palette and all that. So in that, during the chat, she asked me few questions and I was like, yeah, my mother was doing this fabric lana, old market say work karwana, and I used to go with her.
Right.
And she was designing, she was doing all this thing. Then she told me this thing, this is inbuilt in you since your childhood.
Correct.
So nothing is like on job you are learning, it's already there in subconscious mind. But when you figure it out that you want to do it, things will come automatically and you have to, of course, you have to practice. It's nothing like, at this stage also I learn. So I'll tell you a little story about this. My mentor sent me one movie. He's like, Joy ne phone kar jamana. Like, I'm talking about my learning days when I was learning photography and he was drawing me towards the styling part. I was like, okay. And various pachi I called him. So when you feel okay, he's like, Kataks mein kaise ke various pachi phone kara jaye. I was like engaging this. And he's like, no, I was actually expecting you to call me after 15 days. I didn't send you for this enjoyment. I asked you to watch, pause, watch, observe, watch, pause, observe. Now, our eyes are that way trained. I see everything through lenses.
Right.
Everything is a frame for me.
Right. So the reason why I asked, I understand you have an eye for detail. That is something genetically or something you already have. And you are at this stage. But is there, what I wanted to ask is, did you use any references to like,
My Instagram got shut down by him when I was doing those 100 setups. He took the password. Deleted everything.
and why?
It should come naturally. Don't copy someone. Don't see at someone's work. Once I was done with 100 setups, he started my website. He started my page. He posted on my page because he wants me to learn by myself and he wants to observe that is it very naturally I'm doing it or I'm copying someone.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah, so you mentioned that first where you started photography and then you spent I think 2 years doing it yourself before you got a mentor.
Yeah.
And so I was saying that being a photographer and being a stylist is still very different. So but cut to today where you know about bedding and props and decor and artwork and rugs and all of that. So I was like, what was your process? Did you some movies, some books, or some
My mother.
other mentors?
My mother.
Ah.
She take me to that Dalgarwada, Taka Khada hai, match kare, work order na ત્યાં લઈ જાય. And then she's like, pink karo, yellow karo, resham na dora moko, my mother.
Yeah.
So that's what I figured out when I met Mrs. Handa.
Right.
I was also thinking about the same thing till the time like 6 months back I met Mrs. Handa. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.